Hi, my name is Mr. Serrano. I am your child's intensive mathematics teacher for 7th grade, period 6. The point of the intensive mathematics is to help students with the basic skills needed to be successful in 7th grade. And also as well as front loading, that's a fancy word to saying we give them information ahead of time. So when they see that information in the regular classroom, then it becomes easier for them. Okay, the topics for 7th grade and the FSA are operations with rational numbers, which we already started digging in and your children are doing well. There's geometry, proportions, equations and inequalities, probabilities and statistics. The good news about intensive math is that we don't have to go as fast as the pacing guide if we need more time to make sure the students have the scaffolding they need to be successful in 7th grade and to pass the FSA, hopefully. It's okay to stay in a topic and go deeper rather than rush through it and they don't have a really good foundation. That is not the goal. I do not teach to the test because I don't have the test questions. So I can only prepare them the best I can with the topics that you see on the screen or any questions or they may have. The grading, of course, will be heavy on iReady because that is the curriculum for the intensive math. It's supposed to be the iReady books and the iReady program. However, I give them a lot of my own notes and I will hope that they can complete their iReady in class so that they don't have that much homework or no homework at all. That is for the other math class. We don't want to necessarily make them hate mathematics with so much math work in 2 classes. I know it's a lot, but we do help them succeed. So classwork will be heavy for grading together with iReady. And there may be, of course, quizzes and small projects. That's because we have blocks, so we can do a project like, let's say we're gonna do a number line, and so they get to do it hands-on, and they seem to have fun with those things. Participation is not just who answers or who doesn't answer, but there may be a situation where I can check their notebook and that would be a participation grade because they were taking notes, not necessarily how much they mastered the content. The expectations, of course, I really do need them to have their own device. If they don't have a device from home, to get one from the school as soon as possible, because they are supposed to be doing iReady in my classroom. And so they need their own device. Also, if they don't want to use my calculators because of the handling of things with COVID, they can bring their own handheld calculator. However, I do discourage the use of cell phones for phone apps. Then I have to really start watching if they are really only using the phone for calculator, and they can be very resourceful with those apps. So I'd rather they don't get distracted with a phone. If we do a quizzes, for example, then I can say, take out your phone and we're gonna do a quizzes, and it should only be done for that purpose. So the conduct is to be expected, as always, to not talk while I'm talking, to respect each other. And once they commit the same infraction, they get a conduct a conduct cut after 3 times. So let's say they're late, the 3rd time they're late, there's going to be a conduct cut. And I should communicate that to you so that you know that you don't let the grade to keep slipping down, as we don't have any makeup work for conduct. It is what it is. Once you drop it, it doesn't come out. But I've never had any problems before, as long as I keep the communications line open with any parent or student regarding conduct or regarding any assignments. I'm here to help your child and to allow them to make up work, to be flexible. And so some of your children who have had me with their older siblings and know about me know that I don't usually give them a hard time as long as they are willing to correct the behavior and or complete the material missing. So that's why it's important to communicate, and I give you my email, F as in Frank Serrano at dayschools.net. I will answer to them also in Schoology, and the school number is 305-385-6877. I look forward to working with them and with you and to be able to be of help nowadays when help in math is needed the most. So that's why I'm here. Thank you so very much.